Have you ever found yourself dreaming of a stunning new logo for your burgeoning business, a sleek website to match, and a comprehensive brand identity, all without breaking the bank? You start searching, and inevitably you stumble upon a name like Tailor Brands. Their ads promise the world: professional branding, effortless design, and a complete business solution. But then, the nagging question pops into your mind, the one that always does when something sounds almost too good to be true. Is Tailor Brands actually free? It's a valid question, and one that deserves a clear, honest answer. Because in the world of online services, free often comes with a significant asterisk, a hidden clause, or a future commitment that isn't immediately obvious. We're going to peel back the layers of Tailor Brands today to truly understand what you get for free, what you'll have to pay for, and whether it's the right solution for your business. Let's set the scene. You're an aspiring entrepreneur, a side hustler, or perhaps a small business owner looking to refresh your brand. You know that a strong visual identity is crucial in today's crowded marketplace. A well-designed logo, consistent branding across social media, and a professional website can elevate your perceived value and attract your ideal customers. But let's be real, hiring a professional designer, a web developer, and a marketing strategist can cost thousands, if not tens of thousands of dollars. For many, that's simply not feasible, especially in the early stages. This is precisely where platforms like Tailor Brands step in. They leverage the power of artificial intelligence and intuitive interfaces to democratize design and branding. They promise to put professional-looking tools into the hands of anyone, regardless of their design experience or budget. And on the surface, they deliver on that promise. So, back to the big question. Is Tailor Brands free? The short, somewhat nuanced answer is, yes, to a certain extent it offers free features, but it's not entirely free, and you'll quickly hit limitations if you want to use your creations professionally. Think of Tailor Brands' free offering as a fantastic playground. You can absolutely jump in without spending a dime and explore their AI-powered logo maker. You input your business name, industry, and a few design preferences, and within moments, Tailor Brands' algorithm generates a plethora of logo options. This is genuinely impressive. You can then customize these logos, tweak colors, fonts, layouts, and even add icons. You can play around, experiment with different styles, and truly get a feel for what resonates with your brand vision. It's a powerful way to visualize your ideas without any upfront financial commitment. You can even download low-resolution versions of your created logos. These are perfectly fine for things like a favicon for your browser tab, an app icon, or perhaps even an email signature where a high-resolution image isn't critical. For someone just testing the waters, brainstorming ideas, or simply wanting to see what's possible, this free tier is incredibly valuable. It's a great starting point, a visual sandbox where creativity can flow freely. However, and this is where the catch comes in, if your intention is to use your logo and branding assets for anything truly professional, think business cards, merchandise, a professional website, or print advertising, those low-resolution files simply won't cut it. They'll appear pixelated and unprofessional, undermining the very image you're trying to build. This is where Tailor Brands, like many other freemium services, transitions from free exploration to paid commitment. To unlock the high-resolution files, the crisp PNGs, scalable SVGs, and editable EPS files that professional printing and web design demand, you'll need to subscribe to one of their paid plans. This is a common business model for services that offer a taste of their capabilities for free. They hook you with the ease and quality of their initial offering, and once you're invested in your design, the upgrade becomes almost a necessity. Let's delve a bit into what those paid plans offer. Tailor Brands typically provides a tiered subscription model, usually with basic, standard, and premium options. The pricing varies depending on whether you pay monthly or commit to a yearly or bi-yearly plan, with longer commitments offering significant discounts. The basic plan, for instance, generally includes high-resolution logo files in various formats, social media-optimized logo sizes, and full ownership of your logo. This is the minimum you'd need to start using your logo professionally. Moving up to the standard or premium plans usually unlocks a broader suite of tools. This can include access to their website builder, a free domain name for a year, email hosting, a digital business card, a social media postmaker, and even tools for creating an online store. Some premium plans even offer seasonal logo variations, branded presentations, and access to a wider range of design templates and stock photos. It's important to note that Tailor Brands also offers services beyond just branding, such as business formation, LLC services, EIN registration, invoicing, bookkeeping, and trademark services. While some of these might have an initial free plus state fees option, the more comprehensive features or continued support often come with additional, separate charges or are bundled into higher-tier subscription plans. Users have sometimes reported unexpected charges for these extra services, so it's crucial to read the fine print and understand exactly what's included in each package. So, while you can certainly design and preview a logo for free, Tailor Brands is ultimately designed to be a comprehensive, paid solution for entrepreneurs and small businesses looking to establish a professional online presence. The free aspect acts as a powerful lead magnet, allowing you to experience the platform's capabilities and fall in love with the design before you're asked to commit financially. Is this a bad thing? Not necessarily. For many, the convenience and all-in-one nature of Tailor Brands' paid offerings can be a worthwhile investment. It streamlines the process of getting a logo, website, and other branding assets in place without needing to hire multiple professionals or navigate complex design software. The AI-driven approach means you don't need any prior design experience, which is a huge benefit for solopreneurs or small teams. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.